In this video, we are going to show you how to change the background color in CorelDRAW. Now, if you don't want a plain white background in your work, it's quite simple. Now, as you can see here, we have interactive fill lined up, right? This isn't really what we need. So as you can see here, this is the good thing about CorelDRAW is that it gives you guides here on the side, but we're not gonna need interactive draw. Actually, we don't need anything from the main options here on your left hand side. What we want to do is look towards our main menu up top and click on layout, right? When you click on layout, this drop down will appear. You want to click on page background. This pop-up will appear, and as you can see here, general is going to show you this, but if you go to background, right, it says by default, this is default, right? It says no background. If you want to change the color, all you need to do is click on solid, and as you can see here, it's white, right? So if you want to change this into, say, gray or yellow, all you need to do is click on the color that you want, like so. There you go. And then press OK. And as you can see, the background is now yellow. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.